Hi, Matt Myrna here with the Dope Chef, Dave Power. Today we're going to teach you how to repair your 1985 original Nintendo control deck by replacing the 72-pin connector with some very simple tools at home. Please check our previous video on our unboxing to see my excitement of actually unboxing it. So, here we go. Let's see, he's hard at work reviewing the instructions. So we're gonna unbox this. You want to do the honors and start taking a look at it. Think like it's just like Christmas for you.
Oh, that's nice. That's great. Follow the other ones. Looks like we have a full set here.
We do have a full set. We have the two controllers, the incredibly heavy power supply, and most importantly, the TV connector. I think we even have two different types of TV connectors. We have the more modern version of stereo in and video in, and we have the classic antenna connector. We're going to unpack this according to the instructions we found online and replace the 72-pin connector and hope for the best.
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect, let's do this. All right. The first step here is to remove the 6 screws from the bottom of the console. Nice work. We highly recommend a well-lit area and no distractions for this very delicate surgery. White lab coats not mandatory, but do help. Alright. So organize your screws is key. Keeping the screws organized. So we've removed 6. We're going to flip it over and remove the top of the console. Oh, it just came off very easily. Whoa. We now see the silver RF shield and we will remove 7 screws. It's amazing that no special tools are required to repair this Nintendo. I think the next line of Nintendos had their own screws, but you can still buy that screwdriver and repair kit online also. But this one, no Nintendo screwdriver required. That's a dollar store screwdriver. It's a, I guess, star-shaped one. Very common. And turned out to be magnetic. You can't go wrong. I don't know. Off comes the RF shield. I'm amazed at how easy each piece has been coming off. Now, remove the 6 screws that attach the black cartridge holder in place to the motherboard. The 2 mounting screws are marked in yellow in the second image above. It's like open heart surgery on your Nintendo console. And just reading black and white instructions on it. That's the guts of it right there. Nintendo Entertainment System Control Deck Motherboard. Got it. That was easier than you thought. So this is the part that's critical.
Don't do what I did. Don't put your fingers on the pins. But it's not a big deal. So this narrow slot here slides in just like that, as you would any other chip installation.
Well, it is, quite old.
There we go.
Nice, Daddy. It looks like you got it.
Yeah, that's in there. Okay. So that's going to be the reinstallation.
So, we're completely confident in taking apart this Nintendo as our first effort to take one apart. We have a couple lined up that we will take apart if we can get this one apart and repaired. This one came, I found it riding down the street in the box, completely in the box. I originally thought it was the box. I was like, oh wow, the box will look great in the house if it's clean and stuff. Lo and behold, it's a heavy box. I was like, oh, it must be full of books or something. It can't be with a Nintendo. No one's that silly to put a Nintendo with a full box out in the garbage. And lo and behold, it was. And regardless, it'll look good in the box if we can't get it to work. But I think we got it. I have strong belief that the Nintendo will rise up and play again for many years. Because I don't think it's the motherboard. It's always those little pin connectors that people always said were the main problem over the years. So you would blow on it, or you would take a Q-tip and with hydrogen peroxide and clean that. There's the old pin connector. This is the box the other system came out of. So very cheap, very affordable to get the repair box online. Is sliding in that cartridge. RF shield going back on there. Very critical piece.
You could find one of the warp tunnels.
Warp tunnel
We're
skip.
just gonna do a little warp tunnel ourselves right now, and then we got some extra screws left over for any of our home improvement activities.
Dope Chef and I decided to make the unboxing video regardless and then plug it in. We're making the video, we take it all out and we plug it into my TV, and it worked for like that take. It didn't work again.
Did you blow on it?
Yeah, we blew on it. Yeah, we did everything. We were just like... finishing up the last screw. It's looking really good. I'm very excited. Let's go do this.
Is that troll?
No. It's a blinking.
Oh, we should change the input. Yeah.
To change the input to the antenna. Right.
This is not a good look. Blow on it, man. Blow on it. Tap the power button a few times really lightly. See if it splits in. God damn it.
Wait.
Great success. Ooh, oh, that was a head fake there. I thought it was coming in.
We might just need to change the alignment of the actual piece. We take the top off and do it again.
Yes! Yeah! I told you I fixed that shit. That's why I charge more per hour than
Cal used his Nintendo skills to finesse the cartridge. Just, you know, he had that finesse skill to finesse it. It's been finessed. I'm trying it.
Because we don't have a lot of the things in place.
Treat that like a vagina,
No.
yo. Well. I usually hit that shit hard. 2 players?
It works.
It works.
It works. Nice.
There's nothing like this.
What? How did you run through those?
Because I missed the start.
Level 4 is hardest.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill it next time. If you don't kill it,
Imagine you had to collect coins and shit.
I
Welcome to the warp zone, yeah?
hard. Even